Welcome back. Today, I'll teach you how to synchronize your respiratory system with your internet connection. Because if you're not resetting your Wi-Fi every time you sneeze, you're doing it wrong. First, we need to capture the sneeze. A microphone will do, but I recommend a high-fidelity sneeze detector. Place it near your nose. If you don't have one, just scream "achoo" into a walkie-talkie. Next, connect your sneeze detector to a Raspberry Pi. This tiny computer will interpret your sneeze as a catastrophic network event. 1 sneeze equals 1 reset. 2 sneezes in a row. That's a factory reset. 3 sneezes. Goodbye internet forever. Wire the Pi to a smart plug controlling your router. Every sneeze cuts power for 5 seconds. Congratulations, your allergies now control your bandwidth. Of course, we don't stop there. Log every sneeze in a spreadsheet. Email yourself a daily sneeze report. Install a flashing red light that screams network compromised every time you sneeze. This is essential. Now sneeze. Watch your router collapse in fear. If it doesn't, sneeze harder. Remember, your Wi-Fi should never survive a sneeze. And that's it. You're now fully synchronized with your router. Do you sneeze differently? Should double sneezes trigger a VPN reset? Let me know in the comments so I can update the firmware.